During the Ice Age, the age of megabeasts, beasts, 6 continents: North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, and Africa were all put together because of the glaciers so fairly far up to the tip of South America, and a land bridge between Asia and North America created maybe all creatures who lived, except for creatures in Australia, have been in North America. This means that there's actually only one more continent left. But before then, there's also small islands that aren't continents, but those were probably dominated by pygmy mammoths and pygmy stegodons, both species of the elephant tree or Proviscian tree or family tree, and they're probably the only ones, and also other prehistoric North American creatures that are on the islands that weren't continents. But this only makes only one more continent that's different among the rest of the Ice Age worlds. Australia, situated by oceans on all sides. This was an area where the only marsupials can survive an attack of the placental mammals. This includes humans as placental mammals. And so, what were these giant Pleistocene marsupials? Imagine a 2-meter tall and 220 kilograms in weight creature. That's a kangaroo. Meet Procoptodon. Imagine a 2.5-meter long wombat that weighed almost 2,700 kilograms. Meet Diprotodon. And imagine a giant creature that doesn't look like a lion, but is a dangerous creature that bites the neck to kill. Meet Thycaleo conflex, the marsupial lion. And feasting on these huge plant-eating predators beside the marsupial lion is a giant lizard you wouldn't want to meet, Megalania. But times will change, and soon times will change to make Megalania compete. But then, temperatures were climbing. The climate was changing, diseases are spreading, and humans are coming. The same thing happened along with all the other continents. Animals had to compete with the same food source because the prey was getting slimmer. This means that a battle will need to help them all survive. And then a battle to survive to help only one of them feed, to get enough food to survive. This is a baby Megalania. Or just a really young adult Megalania. Is spying on some prey items down below the dirt. But then something comes from the bush. This Megalania is a giant killer Megalania spying on the other Megalania, hunting for those prey. This Megalania comes in. And then the little Megalania doesn't know that this giant one is about to attack. But then it's too late. Megalania actually has been studied to have a venomous bite. As little Megalania tumbles over the sticky rocks, it falls to the ground and dead. Now the Megalania can have a feast and not need the day. Non-foodness. But in the next episode of Mega Beasts, we will return back to North America with that mammoth, mastodon, and giant ground sloth and the dire wolf, with another session of their story. So their story could go on.